From the moment we open our eyes, we are immersed in a world teeming with life. Plants reach for the sun, animals forge intricate paths through forests, and even the air we breathe hums with unseen organisms. But what if our perspective has been skewed all along? What if, instead of life being a cosmic accident, it's actually the very foundation of reality itself? This is the radical proposition of biocentrism. Biocentrism flips the traditional script on its head. Instead of viewing the universe as a vast, empty stage upon which life randomly appeared, biocentrism posits that life, and in particular consciousness, is fundamental. It suggests that the universe we observe with its laws and constants isn't objectively out there but rather is intrinsically linked to the presence of an observer. Us. Without consciousness, the universe itself might be a very different, perhaps even unrecognizable place. While the concept might seem radical, biocentrism rests on a few core principles that aim to reframe our cosmic viewpoint. Firstly, it emphasizes that the laws of physics might be better understood as habits of observation. These laws, so finely tuned for life as we know it, could be a reflection of how our consciousness interacts with the universe. Another key tenet of biocentrism is the interconnectedness of all things. Just as an ecosystem relies on the intricate balance of its inhabitants, so too might the universe be a web of relationships where consciousness plays a central role. This challenges the traditional separation between observer and observed, suggesting a more holistic relationship between ourselves and the cosmos. Biocentrism seeks to expand our definition of reality by incorporating the often overlooked element of consciousness. One of the most intriguing aspects of biocentrism is its perspective on reality. Traditionally, we've been taught that reality exists independently of us, a concrete and objective entity waiting to be discovered. Biocentrism challenges this notion by suggesting that reality, as we perceive it, is a co-creation between the observer and the observed. Think about color, for instance. Color isn't an inherent property of objects, but rather a product of how our brains interpret different wavelengths of light. Similarly, biocentrism suggests that many aspects of the universe we take for granted, space, time, even the laws of physics themselves, might be intertwined with our perception. This doesn't mean that reality is arbitrary or subjective. Rather, it implies that our individual experiences, while unique, are threads in a larger tapestry of existence. Our observations, interactions, thoughts, and emotions might ripple through the fabric of reality in ways we're only beginning to understand. Biocentrism has the potential to revolutionize how we view our place in the grand scheme of things. For millennia, humanity has grappled with its position in the universe. Are we insignificant specks of dust in a vast and indifferent cosmos, or does our existence hold some deeper meaning? Biocentrism offers a compelling alternative. By placing life and consciousness at the center of the cosmic equation, biocentrism suggests that we are not merely passive observers of the universe, but rather integral components of its very fabric. Imagine a universe where every act of observation, every spark of curiosity, every moment of wonder contributes to the grand tapestry of reality. This shift in perspective has the power to fundamentally alter our relationship with the cosmos. While biocentrism presents a significant departure from traditional scientific paradigms, it doesn't seek to replace science. Rather, it aims to expand the scope of scientific inquiry by incorporating the role of consciousness. Some proponents argue that it can offer valuable insights into long-standing scientific mysteries. Take, for instance, the observer effect in quantum mechanics, where observation appears to influence the behavior of subatomic particles. Could this be a hint that consciousness plays a more fundamental role in shaping reality than previously thought? By encouraging scientists to consider the role of consciousness alongside traditional empirical methods, biocentrism could pave the way for a more holistic understanding of the universe. The implications of embracing a biocentric perspective extend far beyond theoretical physics and cosmology. By shifting our understanding of ourselves from isolated individuals to integral parts of a conscious universe, biocentrism has the potential to revolutionize our relationship with the natural world, with each other, and even with ourselves. Imagine a world where environmental stewardship is seen as an act of self-preservation, recognizing that harming the planet is akin to harming ourselves. Envision a society where compassion and empathy are paramount, driven by the understanding that we are all interconnected threads in the grand fabric of existence. Biocentrism challenges us to reconsider our assumptions and embrace a more holistic understanding of reality. As we face complex challenges from climate change to social justice, the insights offered by biocentrism could guide us towards a more sustainable, compassionate, and interconnected future. Whether or not it proves to be the definitive description of reality, biocentrism's ability to inspire awe, wonder, and a renewed sense of purpose makes it an idea worth contemplating.